In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users on Xero, whether you're adding a new team member to your accounting software or simply adjusting permissions. This guide will help you do it all smoothly and effectively. Let's dive right in. To start, the first step is logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice your organization's name displayed prominently at the top left of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a drop-down menu where you should see the option for settings. Click on that and proceed to select users. Now you're in the right place to manage your team's access. Next, it's time to actually add a new user. On the users page, there's a button that says Invite a User. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. It's always a good idea to add their first and last name for clarity, although this step is completely optional. Ensure the email address is correct before moving on, as this is how your new user will receive their invitation. Once you've set up the initial invite, it's time to choose the appropriate user role and permissions. The roles available range from standard user, which allows full access except for certain sensitive areas you might choose to restrict, to advisor, which provides accountant or bookkeeper level access. You also have options like read only, which allows data viewing without editing capabilities, and invoice only for users who simply need to create and send invoices and quotes. After selecting a role, you'll notice checkboxes appear, allowing you to grant specific access to areas such as sales, purchases, payroll, if this feature is enabled in your region, bank accounts and reconciliation, and finally, reports and settings. Carefully tick the boxes that align with your new user's responsibilities and decide between view only or manage access for each category. This level of customization is crucial, so take your time here to get it right. With everything set, review your selections to ensure you're granting the correct level of access. Once you're satisfied, click Send Invite. Xero will send the person an invitation link via email. It's as simple as that. From there, your new user will need to open the email and click on the link to accept the invitation. If they haven't got a Xero account yet, they'll be prompted to create one. Once they've completed these steps, they'll show up in your users list on Xero, ready to start contributing. Finally, should you need to manage or even remove a user in the future, simply return to Settings, then Users. Clicking on a user's profile allows you to edit their permissions or choose Remove Access if needed. And that's it. You've now mastered inviting users to Xero. With these steps, you can efficiently manage who has access to your business's financial data and ensure that each team member has the necessary tools to succeed.